Good morning, friends. I am Dr. K.S. Vivekanandan, your faculty for Psychiatry for eGurukul. I'll give a small introduction about myself. I finished my MBBS from Tiruchirappalli Government Medical College. Then I went to Madurai Medical College for my diploma in Psychiatry. The foundation of Psychiatry, which I have now, is mainly from Madurai Medical College. I finished my Masters from Christian Medical College, Vellore, the wonderful place where I learned the psychotherapy skills, the way of counseling, how to talk with patients, how to improve patients with more of counseling was all learned from Christian Medical College, Vellore. With 2 gold medals from Tamil Nadu MGR University, I went to Jipmer for doing my SRship for 2.5 years. Now currently I am working as a district psychiatrist, district program officer of district mental health program in Salem, Tamil Nadu. Now, throughout the videos or lectures, I'll be, my style is giving you a lot of stories, clinical scenarios, examples, whichever I have seen during my PG times and also what I'm seeing in my day-to-day practice. Now, why am I telling you a lot of stories which I'm going to do in this video is that basically psychiatry is a bit of a confusing subject. It's a bit of a vague subject. So, rather than just teaching you in bulletins 1, 2, 3 tuck tuck tuck, if I tell something in a story form, we all like hearing stories.